Okay, so now we're just gonna go by the bank and cash out some money, and we're gonna deliver the frame to the blasting people, so we can get up to speed. Let's go. What you've seen here today is here. The frame has been glass blasted, and I'm ready to take the sandpaper and grind it down a bit and smooth it off. And in the next clip you will see me try to grind it down a bit and smooth it out, and take it inside to prime it. I know it's already primed, but when you grind down, smooth it out, it's gonna take some of this coating here, the red one. So I will be doing that. Okay guys, this is the end of part 1. Click to subscribe below, and be sure to check out the next episode that will probably come out next next Monday. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.